person on the floor. You don't know what happened. You might be a drunk. Are you going to CPR to a drunk? No. You need to know what's happening. Okay, so the first thing, help, somebody help. Second thing, you come in. The scene is safe. Why do we say that? There might be electrical wire, smoke. You have to move the person. You can do it in the fire. So the scene is safe. You need to say that. The scene is safe. Then the next thing, you're going to really tap on the shoulder. You need to say it. And you hear me, man, lady, can you hear me? We're checking for hearing. One is touching. We're checking for hearing. Okay? And the next thing is, you're going to get on each side, on either side, and we're going to check the pulse. Checking the pulse. If he has no pulse, at the same time, you get down to see if you can listen to, okay? So it's not breathing. If he doesn't respond, he doesn't hear, he doesn't have a pulse, he doesn't, he's not breathing, what is it? The cardiac arrest. It's not a heart attack, it's a cardiac arrest, okay? That's the only time we do compressions on a cardiac arrest. So I just need to tell me again, scene safe?
Scene safe.
Okay? At the same time, gonna tap on the shoulders really hard. You need to say, sir, lady, you need to check the hearing. No answer. Okay, good. Now we're gonna check the pulse. At the same time we check the pulse, if we get good. Look at the chest, if it rises or not. So no pulse. He's not breathing. Check now, we start, before we do that, we say, call 911. Call 911.
Call 911.
Okay? It's a cardiac arrest. It's a cardiac arrest.
It's a cardiac arrest.
Bring the AED. AED is this little machine, we're going to do it afterwards. If you don't reach anybody, you have your phone. Okay? So now, vertical compressions. Okay, tilt the head, clip the nose, the other thumb opens in the mouth, good. You look at the chest, blow and look at the chest rise, again. Look at the chest rise, that's one cycle. Do it again. Tilt the head, clip the nose, open the mouth, blow and look at the chest when you're down there. Blow and look at the chest. That's two cycles. One more cycle. You need to tilt the head. Tilt the head, yeah. Tilt the head. If you don't tilt the head, this valve will not open. No air is going to go in. Okay, check for a pulse. He has a pulse, or she has a pulse. You wait. We do how many cycles? We do 3 because of the mask. How many cycles do we do? 5. After the 5th cycle, you check for the pulse. If he has a pulse, you wait. You don't leave. You stay. You risk it. If he doesn't have a pulse, what do we do?
We continue CPR.